Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Bicycle Dragon Ball Z playing cards. Exciting. So I'm going to pick the one, I think this is the one I'm going to review. They're really exactly the same, but you know. So manufactured by United States Playing Card Company, Poker. Got the cool Dragon Ball Z with this sort of gold effect there, which is pretty awesome. And then we'll look at the back in further detail. So you've got some information there about the store it come from. A little authentication sticker, I'm presuming. United States Playing Card Company. Air cushion finish made in the USA. And then it's got a cool Japanese seal there. So let's get inside and have a look. So looking at the tuck case here without the plastic on it, you can see that it's just so beautiful. Really nice with the gold and black. The gold Dragon Balls here. It's just really cool. But we're going to get into the deck and have a look. So copyright information on the inside there. We've got Kid Buu here on one of the Jokers. It's pretty nice. Then we've got Mr. Satan. Really cool. You've got the what looks like a standard ace for a bicycle deck, but with a Dragon Ball in the centre, which is really cool. We've got standard face. Oh no, not standard faces. So these two are standard, pretty much. It has this sort of copyright information here, which I'm not sure what that's for, but it's got a lot of symbols and Dragon Balls, replacing some of the pips, which is really nice. So like for here, there's 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's included in the pip count. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Capsule cork. Look at these. That's awesome. Oh, I love them. I think that's brilliant. So yeah, I really like Dragon Ball Z, but I've not seen a massive amount of them. The main reason I got these cards is because a good friend of mine takes the mick because I collect playing cards, but he's in love with Dragon Ball Z, so I thought it'd be funny to just wind him up. I know like you got Goku, Gohan, I'm not sure who this is. Diamonds. Yeah, they're continuing this theme with the symbols and the Dragon Balls. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So we've got Trunks, Piccolo, Majin Buu, I think. Yeah, Frieza, Vegeta. There's some just really nice character cards here. That's awesome. I really like that. These cards are just so different, really unique. So there's Cell, Android 18, some just really nice. I love how unique it is and the odd random custom cards. Oh look, 4 Jokers. Yeah, I really like that. Everything about this deck really appeals to me. I think it's so well done. So nicely put together. It's just there's a good combination of all the characters. It's just a really nice way to present the cards, you know, with different symbols, Dragon Balls, you know, all included in the cards. So I really like that. It's a way to take a standard face and not have to put too much effort in. You know, it's not a massive amount of work to delete a pip or erase a pip and put a custom one in. They haven't gone to they haven't worried about changing the shape or the infill or, you know, the indices or the typeface, but they've made it really custom really easily, which is missing from a lot of decks. I find that they put a lot of effort into the tuck case, but not a massive amount of effort into the cards themselves. So looking at how it spreads here, it looks phenomenal with all the artwork right up to the edges, and it's got that standard border. But looking at the back here, it's just incredible. It's really nice sort of inlay work there with the Dragon Balls and then the different symbols. The border's really nice, especially the black white contrast. It would have been nice to see the gold Dragon Balls, but it's still pretty beautiful. And I mean, the thing is, it's kind of just, yeah, it's just a really nice deck. I'm gonna get the royalty out again just to have another look. So yeah, I just love them. All the different character variations. The fact you've got, you know, 2 variants on each card is just phenomenal. They're not necessarily all the same character on both variants, but the sort of upgrades, so to speak, you know. So yeah, they're just really cool, and I'm super impressed with them. I mean, for handling, it's kind of pointless showing you really, but it's got that really nice USPCC bicycle air cushion finishing, I should expect. Fans well, Farrah's well, Riffles well, Shuffles well. You know, there's nothing really to talk about when it comes to that. But they're just phenomenal looking cards. I really like them. So yeah, I mean, these are really hard to get hold of. I got them from a company in Japan. Now, I don't know the name of the company because I had to do it through like a proxy buying site. So I don't know whether there's laws in Japan which prohibit people from buying things directly from some of their stores, or whether they just simply won't ship them over. There's companies out there that will buy stuff for you, charge you like a little bit extra, and then ship them over for you. So that's what I had to do. But yeah, I mean, I'm just really glad I got them. They're really cool. It makes me want to watch more Dragon Ball Z to find out more about some of the characters, because some of them, as I said, I've not even seen before. I've only watched episodes here and there, or a chain of sort of 3 or 4 episodes, and then not watched any for ages. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when I'll be reviewing something else. Take care.